welcome back to the channel. So we made it to the cold part and we're picking up a new build. Let's go inside, pay the people, and let's get this car. Alright guys, so we got it home. I got the booster box connected to it. This thing is actually pretty luxurious. Like the chimes it makes, the chime sounds, they're so cool. Just listen to this. Like, watch this. That's nice. All right, let's see, guys, what's in the trunk of this bad boy. Ooh, floor mats. All right, at least it's something. All right, guys, so I'm very far into this tear down process right now. Got almost the whole cooling system out, which is basically the last item. So I'm gonna set you guys up on time lapse so you can watch it. Alright guys, so I got the cooling system out. This is basically everything that I just took out was basically all the damage besides this right here. And one thing I just noticed now, which I've never seen before, is there's legit cracks in this battery. That's what the inside of a battery looks like if you're curious. That's actually pretty crazy right there. Yeah, so that'd be it for today. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. There's a lot of work that was involved today. Pick up the car, tear it down, take a look at it. Little bit more damage than expected, but it's nothing. It's not, honestly, it's not too much. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.